Daily soap after quite some time. Yes. So what was holding you back?
A good story, a good show. So I think I found this with Ishbaz. It's a chance to do something different. I think जो मेरा पहला show था आदि, where I played प्यार का दर्द. It was a lovely show, and I had a very lovable, larger than life, where kind of role. This is very different. So as an actor, it was a chance to do something different. But more than that, I think ये एक ऐसी कहानी है जो, as a viewer, I would like to watch. It's a family saga which hasn't come in a very long time. It's not your regular Saas Bahu, at least right now. And it's about three brothers, जो बहुत कम मिलता है. Usually shows on TV about Saas and Bahu and women. तो ये मुझे थोड़ा अलग लगा. I think देखने में मजा आएगा.
Okay. So how is like the bonding between three boys, and it is different with all the?
Very tight, very tight. No, we are very thick. Yeah, both the boys are. Superb, they're very enthusiastic. I think the fact that they're new, there's lots of energy, good energy which you want from co-actors. So बहुत मजा आता है यार.
Any interesting thing, like how have you been having fun?
Right. We've been having a lot of fun actually. So जो मेरा बीच का भाई है ओमकारा, so he's got long hair. Actually उसने wig पहनी है, बताना मत किसी को. Shit. So we keep making fun of him because हम लोग गर्मी में शूट कर रहे थे 40 डिग्री में, बेचारे विग के साथ आ रहा था. So someone used to pull his hair from here, I used to pull his hair from there. So we've had a lot of fun with him, and he's like right now really pulling his own hair out because it's tough. Women are used to wearing wigs and working, but I think आदमी के लिए मुश्किल होता है, and you tend to sort of understand a female actor's job much more because it's so tough for them. Eyelashes and wig और कितना makeup, कितना कुछ करना पड़ता है, झुमके, साड़ी. So yes, बहुत काम होता है.
And like the three boys are Shiva, Rudra and Omkara. So are they Shiv Bhakts?
So correct, आपने बहुत अच्छा. I think you found a common link. I think all of them, the name Shiv, जो शिवा के तीन रूप हैं. I think Shivai, Rudra, Omkara. So there is a commonality, and आगे जाके story में भी you'll understand why they're Shiv के रूप.
And like we saw the promos, like it looked really snazzy and nice with all three of you on the yacht and things like that. How much fun was it shooting for?
A lot of fun, yeah. देखने में बड़ा मजा आता है, yacht and breeze blowing in your hair. But to be honest, shoot करना बहुत मुश्किल है. Imagine 40 degrees, you're wearing a black velvet का suit, black shirt, and the director is just saying, okay, just stay there, 10 more minutes. आप 4 घंटे वही शॉट करते हो. देखने में बहुत मजा आता है, पर शूट करने में जान जाती है. It's hard.
So now, like, I've got 5 rapid fire questions, okay?
Ready, shoot.
Okay. Alright, which is your favorite dance step?
There's a step which someone had taught me. If you don't know how to dance, what you have to do is act like you're changing the bulb, right? So you'd go. That's a dance step.
Which is your favorite TV Sasuma expression?
Ho. I can't do it as well as them, but ho.
Okay. If you had to steal someone's brain, who would it be?
There's an actor on television, his name is Nakul Mehta. Okay. Cool guy, yeah.
Okay. And if you had to take, one of the TV beauties out for a date, which girl? I don't have so many friends actually on television. It's just been 3 years, but there's some very pretty girls. Yeah. Anyone, I don't know, give me some names. Sakshi Tanwar. Okay. I think she's very beautiful and she's a fantastic actor. I would definitely like to get to know her. Yes. What's your comfort food?
Rajma chawal, bhindi and some bundi ka raita. Love it. कभी भी इंटरव्यू चाहिए खाना लेके आना मेरे लिए. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.